Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode, we'll see how to settle your staff members' payslips. Let's go to menu Financial and Staff Payments. In this page, you will see all the open staff payments and all the closed staff payments. The closed ones are already settled. As you can see, to pay, paid, and open to pay is 0. Now you see a button Freeze All. The button Freeze All will literally freeze all the open staff payments. The meaning is the following. If a payslip is just open, Geek Divers is authorized to update the payslip every time you close an activity. If your staff members receive a commission for every activity that they do with your customers, then this payslips, the open ones, will be automatically updated and the open to pay will be recalculated. If you freeze open payslips, then Geek Divers is no longer allowed to update the frozen payslips. This is useful for you if tomorrow or the day after is payday. You would like to take some time and double check all the payslips before you actually pay them. What you can do is freeze them, take your time to check that everything is correct, add some charges in case this is what you need to do, and then finally pay them and close them. In the meantime, Geek Divers will open new payslips and update them with the activities that are going on. So let's freeze the payslips. I can click on this button and Geek Divers will freeze all the open payslips. Now you see that there are new open payslips already because all the staff members that work in my Dive Center 1 receive a base salary. So every time you freeze a payslip and a staff member receives a base salary, Geek Divers will create a new payslip adding the base salary. Now let's concentrate on the frozen staff payments, and I will take Tatiana's payslip. As you can see, she has a base salary and a 2-tank dive trip, the fun dive that she did with Arya Stark, as a 20% commission. You can add a manual position, for example, bar tab, and you can save the position. And as you can see, it's down here and the open to pay is automatically recalculated. If you see anything that is not correct, you can still click to edit and you will see up here that you can change any number, any description and any date. For example, she's supposed to get €1 extra. Then you can save the position. And you see that here it's updated and the open to pay is automatically updated as well. You can now add a payment. You write a description, for example. And the amount that you're supposed to pay. You save the position and the open to pay is 0. You can also print the payslip. Chrome will download a PDF to your computer. You can open it and you will see your Dive Center logo, your Dive Center information, your staff member information and the payslip number and the date. You will see the list of activities that they are supposed to be paid for and the payment, and the status will be paid. You can print it or send it to your staff member via email. Let's go back to Geek Divers and now I can close the payslip. As you can see, among the frozen payslips, Tatiana is missing, and in the closed staff payments you will see Tatiana's payslip. Thank you for watching.